we are using beneficial microbes, or we are trying to take the positive aspect of the microbe. As you said, the microbes can also be really harmful. We have seen the COVID and so many other problems. But if you really understand the nature, majority of the microbes are positive. So what are the main positive advantage of microbes? Yeah, helps in decomposition. So what do you mean by decomposition? Breakdown of? Not only, yeah, waste product, yeah. It is actually, um, yeah, composting. That is the process of life is every life finally it comes to an end. So after the life comes to an end, what happens? It has to be broken down. So that very important job is done by microbes. So that is one big job microbes are doing, because what is the source of energy on this planet? Sun. Hmm? So how is sunlight harvested? Hmm? See, solar panel is a very small harvesting of light, but there is a major, yeah, green plants. So what is the process called? So what is the meaning of the word photosynthesis? It uses, yeah. So in photosynthesis, what happens is the green matter harvests the light, or it can absorb light, and that light energy is converted into chemical energy, and that is what we call it as the biomass. So the various biomass that we get by the activity of plants is nothing but conversion of the light energy into chemical energy. So this biomass, this chemical energy is circulating in the entire ecosystem, and it is providing energy to all life. And finally, there is a lot of life in the soil. So this after we consume the biomass, after we take the energy required for us, finally this biomass should go where? Should go to the soil, where there is a huge life. What is the life that we have in soil? Hmm? Yes. Yeah. What are the other? Soil has a lot of life. Earthworms. Have you any idea how many earthworms are there in 1 acre? Huh? Huh? So that's a very interesting. These are all nature. When you see something, you see some trees here, but there is a big life in the soil. So in a healthy soil, we should be having around 30 to 40 lakh earthworms per acre. Per acre. So, but today in the soil we don't have that kind of number. Why? Hmm? Why we don't have this 30-40 lakh earthworms? Huh? No, the main reason is that we are not providing food for them. See, how many times you eat a day? Huh? 3 times. So earthworms actually they eat more times. Normally, what we say is that they eat equal to their own weight per day. So if we are 20, 40, 50 kg, we are eating not even 1 kg per day, equal to their own weight, because they are always very active. So because they need a lot of energy, they eat a lot of food. But we are not giving food to them. So what will happen? When we are not giving food to them, they will die. Similarly, there is a lot of microbes in the soil. In 1 acre, one healthy soil, we should be having around 10 to 15 tons of microbes. The fungus, actinomycetes, bacteria. In 1 tablespoon, we have so many microbes, more than all the people put together around the world. 1 tablespoon has so many microbes. So they are so much abundant and so important. So it is our responsibility to make sure that we maintain them. So for maintaining them in the soil, what should we do? We should provide food. Two things. One is we should provide food. Another thing is that we should not kill them by applying chemicals. So that is one very important reason. You are studying microbiology. You are people who know microbes. So you should be the friends of microbes. So the rest of the people who don't study this, they don't even know that there are microbes all over the place. So it is your big responsibility to take care of all the microbes in this world. No, I am very serious. You are when you have joined for microbiology course, that's a very big commitment from your side that we are going to protect the microbes in the world. So that is the reason because I studied. I am an environmental microbiologist. So when I learned about them, I realized that I have to protect them. So that's why almost last 35-40 years I am working in this field. So I am a farmer. I am basically a farmer. So I do organic farming.